The ICFAI University Tripura celebrated the spirit of patriotism on the eve of India's 79th Independence Day by organizing a vibrant rally carrying a 650 feet long Tiranga on August 14, 2025. The event aimed to instill a deep sense of national pride among students, faculty and staff while paying tribute to the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for the country's independence. The Tiranga rally organized at Kamalghat area celebrating Har Ghar Tiranga campaign to encourage people to bring the Tiranga home and to host it to mark India's independence. The rally commenced from the university campus with carrying on the shoulder a 650 feet long three-color flag by the students, staff and faculty members and rode through National Highway to Kamalghat Bridge, Kamalghat Market, Bypass Road to Fatik Chora Chomini and back to campus. The rally saw enthusiastic participation from students, faculty members and non-teaching staff and marched together with chanting patriotic slogans and singing national songs, creating an atmosphere of unity and devotion to the motherland. The rally formally inaugurated by Professor Dr. Biplab Haldar, the Vice-Chancellor of the University and Padma Shri Deepa Karmakar, who is also a brand ambassador of the ICFAI University. Speaking on the occasion, Professor Dr. Biplab Haldar said, "The Tiranga is a symbol of our unity, diversity and sovereignty. Carrying it together signifies a collective responsibility to uphold the values of democracy, freedom and integrity." The university received heartfelt support from Lepunga police station in conducting the rally successfully, and the university expressed its heartiest thanks to all concerned for successful completion of the rally. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.